our water heater flipped its lid. And you can imagine how upset I was to go into the basement and find out that I forgot my fishing pole. Ugh. It took me and my wife from 8 o'clock in the morning till 12:30 in the afternoon with a shop vac and a big corn on the cob pot and a margarine container, and managed to get all that water out. Then these two fine gentlemen came and swapped it out. It was the next day, but that was the soonest we could get an appointment. Oh well. Shit happens. Surprised you're not freaking. What are they doing? Are they taking our water heater away? Are they taking our old water heater away? Is that what they're doing? Oh, you're gonna miss the old water heater? I could have them put the old one back in if you want. Good girl.